morning. I want to do what I eat in a day for someone that's gaining weight, because I know how hard it can be. I have a fast metabolism, so what I'm eating today is quite like realistic, like what I'm just gonna pick and choose to eat. Like I haven't planned anything. I tried to, you know, keep it healthy, high protein, all of that, because I go gym too. I don't feel like you should restrict yourself ever, so I'm gonna have a coffee and get started into my breakfast. I don't know what I want. Just have some eggs, some toast, and maybe like a small bowl of porridge. To use a straw. It doesn't make sense that I'm using soy milk but I use evaporated milk. But who cares? Why would you open something like this?
Because it's like big hands.
Hey! I also like to have my vitamins, so I'm gonna have this. I got it from either Aldi or Lidl. I have that. And I'm gonna drink some other vitamins too. The vitamin cupboard where I have to reach. Said I was making porridge, but I don't think I'm gonna do that anymore, just because I don't want to feel like really full. Sorry, I'm gonna open the window a little bit. See, I've been really indecisive about my breakfast. Usually I could have like 3, but I'm not really that hungry this morning. It's like some of my favorite seasonings. I really wish I had some fruit or something. Today we're gonna eat what we have, okay? I like how I flipped it on the plain side. Woo. Okay, this is my breakfast. 2 eggs, 2 slices of toast. You know, that is all. I put too much chili flakes on one side, but it's okay, I made that shit. And then I'm gonna go shower and then I'll come back. I don't know why I'm still holding it. I'm not gonna lie, it's been a good like more than few hours. I have not actually eaten for a minute now, like since breakfast. Yeah, it's like the late afternoon, so I've just been busy. Like I walked the dog, came back, I showered, then I went to go grab some food. So I got some king prawn fried rice. I would have made it myself, but I don't have some of the ingredients and I need to go grab them, so maybe next time we can make it or something. I didn't have any like soy sauce. The soy sauce ran out and everything, so you know, we're just gonna stick to getting some. I got some salmon. I'm gonna put my hair up. I got some salmon. I've already washed it and I put minced garlic in it. Also the fried rice, I really like peas in fried rice and stuff. There wasn't any in this one, so I steamed some peas and some corn because I wanted the peas for the rice. I also have some mash that I pre-made with some garlic butter and stuff. I pre-made that already because I had some yesterday. I'm just going to use that as well. So obviously it's a lot of carbs, like mash and rice, so I'm going to portion out like a bit of mash and a bit of rice. But that's got prawns in it, so you know, extra protein and whatever not. I don't know what I'm gonna have for dinner because obviously I'm hitting the library soon, a bit later. So all-purpose, red chili, some black pepper. Thing on TikTok. Yeah, that's right. Usually put a bit of paprika, but I don't want to. Cayenne pepper, and then some parsley. I'm running out of this basically. Need to get more. Can you please drop down? Thank you. What? I'm just gonna put that. I eat a lot, okay? When I'm in the mood, I'm in the mood. So probably should have a little less than I'm gonna have, but yeah, here. I want to eat. I'm hungry. I haven't snacked, I haven't eaten, but that's just the reality of some days. You're just so busy. You can't even have your lunch till like later. Make some garlic butter. And then I'm going to put a little bit over my mash. So it can melt into the mash because it tastes so good on the mash. Even though the mash is already seasoned, it's like extra seasoning, you know? We all want that extra seasoning. The salmon's done. It's all good. It's not burnt, don't worry. It's just the chili flakes. They've just like crisped a little bit. Because you know, once the salmon is dry, it's no longer enjoyable anymore. Just don't even bother. If you know, you know. Garlic mash, salmon, king prawn fried rice, and a corn. Looks too good, too yummy. I don't know if I'm gonna order anything. I think I might have to because I might be getting home a bit late, so just gonna eat it and then head out. I'm not doing much cooking in this vlog, can't lie, but lately I've been eating a bit of takeout, can't lie, because I don't usually actually do that at all. I've just been a bit lazy, can't lie, being a bit lazy, but it's okay, it's okay. This is just realistic. Sorry. Quick commercial break. That tastes so good. I'm gonna eat, and then after that I'm going to go out, and then I'll see what I'm eating tonight. I don't know if I should cook or get something, but I'll update you guys anyway. I'm just gonna have a glass of water. When I wasn't eating, I was just drinking water. A whole glass before I go and get in the Uber to go to the library. Hashtag educated boss. See, my dog doesn't want me to be great. She doesn't want me. That's weird. She's so cute. She's staring at me, wagging her tail. Guys, no. Okay, say hi. Say, come say. Hey y'all. She's really cute and small. I'm not sure though. Guys, I haven't eaten in a while.
But I don't. Well, it tastes like coffee.
Is it?
Is it how? Yeah.
Please offering me one of these. Ever. Oh, they're so nice.
The whole thing's calm. No, I mean, I didn't expect that.
Yeah, neither did I. I'm freaking hungry. I need to order food like ASAP, but I can't
Why
decide.
are you ordering? Yeah.
I can't decide what to get.
It's 2:15
a.m. 15 a.m. guys. I have a presentation in the morning. Yeah, I actually chose like one of the worst days to film this. And ignore that spot on my face. I actually popped it. Disgusting, right? I should have bought my prawn fried rice. I would have just eaten that.
There's the body.
What's that?
Like a long meat.
Ooh, that could be nice. Show me. What?
A long meat thing. Ooh, that's nice.
I just had lamb and I'm just like, yeah. I've got some peri wings. I don't know. I think that's fried.
Oh wow.
Huh? I don't know. I haven't tried it. And I've got a wrap. It looks really sad.
It looks really sad.
But I hope it's nice. Oh my god. It's hot and I'm exhausted and I'm tired. And I don't mean to be a moaner. I really don't. But it's been a long day. The wings are okay. They're not bad. Guys, the lighting is awful in here. I had 3 wings and half a what? Oh, a wrap. See, I'm actually sleep deprived. I'm freaking tired. My camera's gonna die.
It's 4 a.m.
It's 4 a.m. and this is the end.
What time?
No, actually, what I ate one day is 2 meals. What I ate in 2 days, that's why I have to call it. No.
What, 20 hours? No,
30
hours.
Yeah, what I ate in 30 hours. That's a new title.